Enforcement Directorate ED Imphal Sub-Zone has conducted search operation at 5 locations in Imphal at the residential premises of the chairman and managing director of Salai Group of companies. Press note from the ED released yesterday said that the search were carried out at the premises of N. Samarjit and Vishwajit, A. Dipanand, E. Brojendro and T. Tikendra with adequate security arrangement and assistance from the 30 CRPF personnel. During the search, the ED seized 3 vehicles, namely Honda Elevate, Tata Harrier and Maruti Baleno, along with property documents worth 10 crore rupees and other incriminating documents. Digital devices and documents linked to Salai groups of companies were also seized. According to the ED, investigation under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act PMLA revealed that the accused persons illegally collected 57 crore 36 lakh rupees in cash from the public by promising 36% annual return without any legal authority or license. The collected funds were deposited in personal bank accounts and in accounts of the Salai Group and were used to acquire immovable properties, vehicles, machineries and plants besides foreign remittances of around 17 crore 5 lakh rupees, a credit card payment of 2 crore 50 lakh rupees and a vehicle loan repayment of 3 crore and 14 lakh rupees. The ED stated that the amount collected constitutes proceeds of a crime, the POC. So far, 2 crore 42 lakh rupees worth of assets have been attached and confirmed by the adjudicating authority. Prosecution complaint has been filed before the Special PMLA Court Imphal East on April 29, 2024. The ED investigation was initiated based on an FIR registered by Manipur Police at Lumphel Police Station, followed by charge sheet by the NIA and CBI, which revealed that the accused were involved in running an illegal Ponzi scheme, laundering money through multiple companies and using funds for unlawful activities. Further investigation underway.